welcome to my channel. Around here, you want something, you gotta build it. Follow along. Let's see what I can do. Okay guys, we got some testing to do today. I got a letter here from Harry Riblett that I found, and he claims that this under-camber wing creates a bubble of air right through here that creates drag. And he says if you put Vortex Generators right along the leading edge, it's supposed to take care of that. So what I'm going to do is a small test. This section here does not have Vortex Generators. We're going to see what the yarn does when we go fly. This section over here, I made a couple little Vortex Generators and we put them here, and we'll see what the yarn does over here. This is just a small test before we do the whole thing to see if it makes any difference. This is pretty cool. The area that was behind the Vortex Generators, you can see these strings are completely frayed to pieces. And then you come over here, and these are all in great shape yet. And when you watch the video, it was really hard to see, but these did look like they were about an inch off of the wing the whole time. These, you could just watch them bashing against the bottom side of this wing. So that does tell us that the air coming out of these Vortex Generators is staying attached to the bottom of the wing. But you did see how turbulent that air was in this section by the yarn just blowing everywhere. I don't know if that's what you want underneath your wings. If you guys do, shoot me a comment. Share this video with someone who might know. What I learned is this air does stay attached to the bottom behind these, which tells me if we were to put them all the way down the leading edge of the entire plane, that it would do something. So let's find out what it is. And as always, like and subscribe to this channel and let me know what you guys think. Till the next one, see ya.